From the opening kickoff. That's a good feeling down here right now. You're Brazilian.
Well, the carnival is in town, isn't it? They've brought a piece of Rio to Houston, Texas.
I see a sense of relief on Brazil as well, which I think you can see every time they win a game. But I think they knew this was a tremendous test today. I think they had tremendous respect for Japan. They knew Japan was going to be a challenge, so it's a fantastic response and comeback, but it's also, I think, a slight sense of relief. And that man equalized via the header, Casemiro.
After Sano had put Japan in front with a terrific solo goal. Really shocked the Brazilians. But it ends in heartbreak once more for Japan, as it always seems to in the knockout phase. They are yet to win a knockout match in 5 attempts. And Brazil here today find a way. They had so much possession, and for so long Japan held them at arm's length. And they were that close from taking the game to extra time, which, in the way that the second half unfolded, that have been desperate to get to, Glenn, the Japanese.
Yeah, and listen, they're going to look at their game. I mean, they've got an incredible base to build off of.